guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this month's boxycharm, the month of May, and yeah, this is this month's box. They always look the same though, so I don't know why I showed you, but yeah, if you are interested in seeing the products and me putting them on my face and using them, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is this month's boxycharm, and let's open it up. And the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is what it looks like. Just a squeeze tube bottle. On the back it says, a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrush look. And directions: apply every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for foundation application. So I don't wear foundation anymore really, I just wear concealer. But I'm still going to put it like on my forehead and like around my nose where I have more pores and texture and fine lines and stuff, and a little bit on my chin because I have some texture there too. But yeah, I'm going to do that. I've already moisturized my face, so I'm just going to take a little bit. Oh, it's tinted too. You can see that. It's on that finger right there. Tinted, so it's like a skin color. Looks like it's darker than my complexion, but we'll see how it goes on the skin. Okay, you can't really see it on the skin, so that's good. Kind of texture. Okay. So now I'll be right back after I get my concealer and powder and stuff on and show you the next item. Okay, the next thing in here is this Pure Sculpture palette. Not sure if you can see that, if it's reflecting or not, but it's just a highlight and contour palette. That's what the shades look like. And to be honest, this is fairly dark to me, like the shades in here. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go, if I'm gonna look ridiculous or not, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm just taking an angled brush from Luxie and tapping into that lighter of the two dark shades, and I'm just going to lightly contour my cheeks. That actually looks really good, so I'm going to do the other side now. Went a little too heavy on the other side, if you can tell there. So I'm just going to take my powder brush and blend that away some. Okay, now I think it looks decent. Still think that's a little too dark for me, but it's okay. Now I'm going to take blush, and I'm just going to take this Pretty Vulgar blush. It did not come in this boxycharm, but this brush I'm going to use did. And it is the Aesthetica P12. It's just kind of a longer, fluffy, domed kind of of brush. That's what it looks like. So I'm just going to take this into my blush and rosy up my cheeks. Okay, the next things we got in this boxycharm are also brushes from Aesthetica. And it's just a brush kit, I guess. It has a liner brush, a angled eyebrow brush, I think, and a spoolie. And so I'm going to use the spoolie and the eyebrow brush real quick and do my eyebrows. Go back into the palette and do highlights since I forgot to that. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out with the spoolie. I'm taking my e.l.f. eyebrow pomade. This brush is a little bit thicker than I would like for my eyebrow brush to be, but it works if you can't tell the difference there. So I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and do the other one real quick. Okay, I'm going to go back into that Pure Sculpture palette. Sculpture, who knows? And I'm going to take the lighter of the two highlights, which is this one right here. And I'm going to take it on a Luxie 527 tapered highlighting brush. And highlight my cheeks. I like that highlight a lot, actually. I usually don't like highlights that are in highlight and contour palettes because they're usually not blinding enough for me, but that is a pretty good highlight to me. You can see that on my cheeks right there. I'm not sure. It's on my nose too. But yeah, I'm gonna go do my eye makeup and I'll be right back with the next item. Okay, the next item is this Vulgar eyeliner. And it's super cute. It's in like a little ink jar thing. I think it's just a gel liner though. And then I'm gonna use one of the brushes that came in that brush set and try to do my eyeliner because I've usually been using like a liquid liner and I haven't used gel liner in a long time, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, I think I successfully did a wing on that eye. Now time to try on the other eye. We'll see how that goes. If it goes just as well, who knows? Formula. It's a little bit too dry, and also I can't really see what I'm doing down in here. I just kind of have to stick it in and just play with it, and then that time I got way too much, so I'm having to like wipe it off on the edges, but it's pretty. I don't know. close this so it doesn't dry out. And then I will put on some mascara and be right back for the last item. Now all that's left is this lipstick, and it is by Beauty Creations, and it's their Longwear Matte Lip Gloss, and this is in shade 24 Kiss Me. It's just this really pretty pinky kind of red kind of color. And so I'm just going to put this on now. I did test this on the back of my hand when I got it, and it did not come off in the shower. I had to scrub my hand with a makeup removing cloth to get it off. That is the last item in this month's boxycharm. And this month is May, by the way. I know I forgot to say that. I probably said it in the intro, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.